Life on that line. LOL.
Guys, I am back with another video. The hair that I'll be using this evening is Bobbi Boss pre-stretched hair in 54 inches. Now I'm very excited about this hair. You guys know I love Bobbi Boss. This hair has feathered ends. They claim you won't get any finger cuts. The hair is also hot water setting. They have 3 in the pack for $5. And all I can say at this point is I'm in love. The fibers in this hair is kind of smooth, and the hair is also fire retardant. The products I'll be using to achieve this look is Shine and Jam, She Is Bomb, Magic Fingers, clips, comb, and rubber bands. Now let's get started. I'm parting my hair about ½ an inch away from the middle, and I'm going to take that part all the way to the back of my head. I'm going to section off the side that I'm not using, and I'm going to go in and part the second section. This part is going to be a bit wide, so I'm actually measuring by my eyebrow where my braids should start. And it's going to be about half of my eyebrow, and that's how I'm measuring to get this part straight and to make it wide enough. Separating my edges with She Is Bomb, and I'm going to start this section by parting off triangle parts. I did this style earlier this week on a client, and I decided that I'd try it on myself. Now I must admit, parting triangles on your own head is more difficult than I thought, but I tried my best and I was really happy with the end result. You want to add gel and twist your hair to keep the parting in place so that you can just keep up with the sectioning. This is the method that I used, and it was good for me, especially doing it on my own self, to keep the parting separated and so that one part can't intertwine with the other part. So just grab the gel. The gel of my choice was Magic Fingers. I just added that gel onto that part in that section, and I just did a little like twist, like so right here. I just did a little twist and separated it, and that's all I did for this section as far as keeping the parts. I didn't want to just go ahead and just put the rubber bands on right away because there was like a method to this style, so that's what I did in order to keep the parting. I'm going in with rubber bands. I didn't put these rubber bands tight because I don't like my hair pulling, so basically I added rubber bands to the first 3 triangles in front, and then I'm going to connect the ends to a section, and then I'll add rubber bands to that triangle while I'm connecting it. I don't know if I'm explaining it well, but you guys can basically look and watch because I didn't want to oversaturate the hair with rubber bands, so I decided to connect certain sections in the front with these 3 to the next ones and to add it. It makes sense to me. I did it, like I said, on someone's hair this week, and it turned out really pretty. So yeah, just watch. Basically I'm connecting it and I'm adding that rubber band to the section like that because I didn't want to use too much excessive force and pull on the hair, because I know that these rubber bands can really pull your hair out, and they're really tight if you're not careful. So I didn't want that, you know. So I was very easy on the rubber bands, very light. Now, this is a visual of the size of hair that I'll be using for this section. It's the same size, and I'm feeding in at least 9 or 10 times for this braid. The reason why I parted my hair off to the side is because I'm going to do a middle mini braid straight down the middle, and I'm trying my best to get this part accurate all the way to the back, and I'm parting just a little section, just very small. I'm using my handheld mirror to make sure that it's parted directly straight down the middle. Now, this is a visual of the hair that I'll be using for the mini braid straight down the middle.